Greetings, salutations, and welcome back. I'm Dalton Cowan, and today I want to show you guys my greenhouse. It's taken me a couple of years to get around to doing this and getting everything done, but I'm almost there. Let's go take a look inside. So here we are inside of the greenhouse. As I mentioned, this took a little bit of time, year and a half, 2 years, something like that, to kind of finally get it all together. But with the exception of having the thermostat installed, right now I'm kind of relying on the internal thermostat of the new heater that we just put in. Everything is done. And I'll go ahead and walk you through the build process for anybody who's interested in knowing exactly how this kind of went about. So the first thing that we did is we ordered the frame, which came with the cover from Amazon. This is a 10-foot by a 20-foot greenhouse. Then after that, we put the weed barrier, well, we kind of graded the land a little bit. We put down some weed barrier, after which we put this gravel in. Then we got a hold of some pallets and some cinder blocks. We just made tables out of those. Then we had some power installed. Had a 240 volt heater put in. That guy's capable of kicking out about 20,000 BTUs or so. So plenty of heat for the winter. And anytime me and the lady see a good deal on plants or find something rare or cool that we just have to have, well, we just get it. Figure out a way to make it pay for itself. This doorway and the ventilation fan, well actually the doorway I got done last weekend. Ventilation fan I got installed yesterday. This runs to a little control module where we can set everything. So this vent fan will open if the humidity exceeds 90%, I'm sorry, if the humidity exceeds 70%, or if the temperature exceeds 90 degrees, this fan will cut on and provide some ventilation for the greenhouse. Oh, and by the way, this is Gertrude. She is our resident yellow orb weaver spider, probably better known to most of you as a riding spider. And she's been here for like 5 or 6 months. She's been in the same place, and she's been hard at work producing 3 egg sacs, so she's got a nice warm place to spend the winter. And when I put this frame in, I made absolutely certain that its design wouldn't interfere with her little nesting area over here. So that's Gertrude. We'll let her hang out for as long as she wants to. And as always, folks, if you enjoy this sort of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, send me an instant tweet, DM cowansfantasticfungi.com. Go check us out. I'm gonna eat this ghost pepper and get the day started. Just kidding.